So we have just seen how we can create a model. So we have created a migration in a previous video and a simple model. And let's go to our terminal. And we have just we can see we created PHP artisan make model, and the model name is post. So we have just created it. And okay, let's remove our migration with that post we have created, and we can roll back it by using rollback PHP artisan migrate rollback. It will roll back to the previous migration. One migration will be rolled back which is newly created. PHP artisan migrate roll back, and you see it has rolled back our migration post when we see it in our database. So in fresh, so migration is rolled back. And now we can see how we can create a model and migration both at the same time. So PHP artisan make model post and with the flag M. So it will create a model post so which is already exist in our app. So delete the first the model post and remove it, and here it is removed. And come to your terminal. So PHP artisan make model post and with migration. So the Laravel smart enough that it's know that the post is the singular version of model, and the plural version of post will be post, and it will create a database table with name post in our database. So it will create migration for post. So hit enter. So you see model is created, and with that model we have created a post table migrations. And come over here, and here it is the post migration. So the model is post, and the migration post table. Okay, this one is the previous refresh database migration, and, and delete this, and post this newly migrated migration. And now once again create your field column with string worker title, and hit enter. Control shift D to duplicate the line, and we will create a body. So come to your terminal and migrate once more time. PHP artisan migrate, and it will migrate up post table. So refresh migration is created, and close your direct table database and refresh, and the post table is there right now. So two ways you can create your model as well as your migration at the same time. So in a model, let's once again create our protected table, which is posts. So if you create your model with migration, so you can do not need to give table in your model. So it's good that you should give the table, because sometimes the mass assignment exception is there and we have to handle it, and sometimes the table is doesn't know where it is. So it's good that we make it the table name. And protected fillable, again give an array which is title and we have discussed it why we kill the fillable to avoid mass assignment exception and body. So in next video we will see how we can seed our database with fake by using faker, and we will send some create some fake data, and after that we will create some item. We will take data from fetch data from database, and we'll see you.